Conversation between two friends in the class.
Hi, what is your name?
I am Anthony. What about you?
I am Daniel. So, what is new, Anthony?
I am just looking forward to first class. Mr. Johnson will be teaching us English, right?
Yes. He also takes the accounting and finance class.
Yeah. I came to know about it today. And he is a very strict professor.
You are right. I went through the syllabus. Some subjects require hard practice.
Yes. Accounting and finance is a very difficult subject.
Yes, right. So Anthony, where do you come from?
I am from Leicester, where my family lives. What about you?
I am from London itself. I stay with my family. By the way, how do you travel? It takes 2 hours to reach London from Leicester.
I travel by metro. Because the metro is the best option for students. The government has also given 50% off on tickets to the students traveling in the metro.
Wow. That is good. I come to university on foot. Because I live nearby.
You are lucky, dude. So Daniel, from where have you done 12th?
I have done 12th from Haberdashers Boys School Elstree. And from where have you done 12th?
I have done 12th from Bridge School.
What do you want to do after graduation?
I want to do MBA.
Good to hear that. The demand for MBA is increasing day by day.
Absolutely correct.
I am fresher. I hope to learn a lot. And get placed in a good company in the second year.
I have heard that placement in this university is very good.
That is good to hear. Don't you think extra-curricular activities are really important?
I agree with you.
What are your hobbies? What do you do in your spare time?
I have diverse interests. I like to travel, photography, and love to watch movies and TV shows.
That sounds great. I am a little amateur photographer myself. Check out my page on Facebook.
I will do so. Here is my contact number. We'll discuss a lot of stuff after class.
Okay. I will drop a message. Great to connect with you. I think Professor is coming. Talk to you soon.
Likewise. Let's talk after class.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.